Baroness Moan should resign from the Lords after order to pay back £122 million over COVID PPE. 1. A High Court has ordered £122 million repayment. The UK High Court has ruled that PPE MedPro, a firm linked to Michelle Moan and her husband, must repay £122 million for breaching a 2020 contract to supply 25 million surgical gowns that the court found were not properly sterilised or certified. 2. The gowns were judged unusable by the NHS. The ruling found that the gowns were not properly validated as being sterile and could not be used in healthcare settings, thereby justifying the contract being rejected. 3. PPE MedPro is linked to Michelle Moan, her husband. The company was awarded contracts via a controversial VIP lane and was connected to Moan's husband, Doug Berriman. Moan had previously lobbied for the firm's involvement. 4. Recovery of the £122 million may prove difficult. Legal analysts warn that although the judgment orders repayment, recovering the full amount is uncertain because PPE MedPro has limited assets and has filed for administration. 5. Calls for her to resign or be stripped of peerage have been made. In the aftermath of the judgment, some politicians, including a senior Conservative MP, have publicly argued that Moan should resign her seat in the House of Lords. However, and this is important, resigning is a personal choice, and removing a life peerage requires an Act of Parliament, not simply a court judgment. 6. Moan is currently on leave of absence from the Lords. Since December 2022, she has been on leave from the House of Lords to clear her name.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay blessed.